Wow, this store has so many nice clothes. I want to buy a new jacket.
Same here. I need jeans. Let's look around.
Oh, look at this jacket. It's perfect. But there's no price tag.
Excuse me, how much is this?
That's easy. How much is this? What if I want a different size?
Do you have this in a smaller size? Or is there a medium?
Okay, so if I want a large, I can ask, do you have a large size?
Perfect. And if you want to try something on, just say, can I try this on?
Right, they'll probably show me the fitting room.
That's useful. What's another way to ask for help?
Can you help me, please? Or, I'm looking for a jacket.
Excuse me, I'm looking for black jeans.
Exactly. And if you're done shopping, say, I'll take this, or I'm ready to pay.
Good to know. Sometimes shopping in English feels scary.
But once you know these phrases, it gets fun. Shopping equals free English practice.
That's
Perfect.
true.
Let's try on our
look,
clothes.
This
then
jacket
head
has
to the
my
counter.
size. Should I try it on?
Go ahead. Let's see how it looks.
What do you think?
It looks great on you. The color suits you.
Thanks, but it feels a little tight.
Then maybe try one size up.
Yeah, I'll ask. Do you have this in a larger size?
Exactly. And don't forget, how much is it?
This is fun. I feel more confident now. What did you find?
I found jeans and a cool shirt, but I need to ask for the price.
Go ahead. Practice makes perfect.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
And don't forget the magic phrase, I'll take this, please.
I love that phrase. Easy and clear.
I'm glad we came here, shopping and speaking English. Double win.
Yes, I think I'll try this again next weekend. Maybe shoes?
Sounds like episode 6 to me.